Welcome to the another video on the 2D diagram of a plate using the AutoCAD. So that figure is given in the left side of the corner, so you can check with all the measurement and all. So here I am going to suggest you what are the commands that will be used to construct this, okay, in a step by step. So first you have to apply the limits, select the limit option, then 0, 0, then enter 210, 297, then apply the units after that. So it should be in decimal and precision should be in 0.0 and it should be in millimeter. Okay, now we'll start the drawing. Okay, see the diagram which with dimensions. Okay, go for the line command first, enter line, then this is a first point and the distance is 14 millimeter. So you have to make the orthon to draw any horizontal line. So 14 mm. So the 14 mm is been given, but it's very small, so you have to just zoom in as per your requirement. Okay, so this is 14 mm. Now again, if you want, you can measure. If you want to continue, before that you have to measure for everything. So this right. Okay, after that you can delete again. Now, so there is a vertical height of 10 mm. Okay, enter 10 mm. That's it. Now you can drag to the left side, again repeat the line. So the line when you make towards the left side, so here we can see there is a semicircle with a diameter of 4 mm. It means the total distance is 4 mm plus again 2.4. It means total distance, if I enter 2.4, it's 6.4, enter. Okay, then you just stop here and again repeat the line. So from here to the center, it means the circle for the, it is 2 mm. Okay, 2 mm you have to measure for the circle. So I have to select the circle. So from the center, the radius should be 2 and diameter should be 4. If I enter again 2, then you got this circle. Okay, after that anyhow we have to remove this. So now again start from the another end. The height is 3 mm, enter, then again drag to the left side, again enter 3, again take the height of 4, then stop. Now take the line from end to end, you have to connect. So you have to make the ortho off so that it can move in any direction. Right. So this line also you can remove. And again connect. So with the same center we have one hexagonal within the circle. So where is the hexagonal? That the center also you should know. So from the same center there is an hexagonal. Okay, so you have to draw the hexagonal, and also here there is a one more circle at a distance of that you have to measure. First we will complete this hexagonal. So select the command polygon, enter polygon. The number of sides for the hexagonal is 6, again enter 6 and select the center for the polygon. This is the center. Okay, now inscribed in the circle, select the inscribed in the circle. So if it is total width of the hexagonal is given as 2, then you have to select 1. Yes, it is within the circle. Now there is a one circle here that, so now you can see here there is a circle with a radius of 1.6 and the center is from this end to this end. Okay, you have to find the center first. So from this line you have to drag, select the line command and just continue, make it ortho. Okay, similarly select the line from the end of the means corner of the hexagonal, you have to drag to the bottom. Okay, so this become the center for that circle. Again select the circle, enter C command, then from the center of the circle, front of this, you have to take the radius as 1.6. yes, it's finished. Now you can just remove these lines. Okay, it's removed. Now here we have the one curve as fillet with a radius of 3 mm. Now again select the fillet FIL. Fi if you enter, then it will select the fillet. Then select the radius, then radius is given 3 mm. Enter 3. Select the first object and select the second object. That's it. Okay, now you can check the measurement for all these, okay, one by one. So before that, to make the changes in the drawing, go for dimension style. Yeah. Then change the parameters, go to modify, lines, dimension line color, select yellow, then extension line, select red or blue, then enter OK. This is about arrowheads and all, so if you want you can increase. Okay, now I will enter OK and close. Now check one by one. So the distance from here to here, it is 2.4. okay, anyhow the values are been showing very more, so you have to again change the dimension style. Again go for dimension style, enter, then modify, lines everything, and this about the size. Text height is will take 1 mm. Arrow size also will select 1. It's 2.4, and this one is 4 mm. Again repeat dimension, it is 3, and this distance also 3 mm. okay, and distance from here to here as 14 as per given dimension, and 10 mm from this center to this edge. Okay, so again we'll check the curves or circles, radius, anything. This is R3, this is R2, and hexagonal distance from this end to this end, right, it is 2. So in this way we have created as per the requirement and as per the drawing. Okay, and thank you for watching.